Hey, welcome back to my channel. RC762M replace remote control fit for ADDME. RC762M replaced IR remote control work for Onkyo AV receiver home theater system. No programming or pairing needed, just install new 2XAA 1.5V alkaline batteries, then it works. This is a new replacement IR remote. Important note, this remote not work for TV compatible with following Onkyo AV receiver models: AVX280, AVX290, HTP380HT or 280HT or 290HT or 380HT or 380HT or 390HT or 538HT, RC230HT is 3300, HT is 3300B, HT is 3400, SKC380, SKF380L, SKF380R. SKR380L, SKR380 or SKW380TXSR308 package content, 1XIR remote control. Contact us. Any question, please feel free to contact us before leaving feedback. We will help you resolve it. Thank you, smiley face. ADDME RC762M. RC762M replacement IR remote control fits for Onkyo AV receiver home theater system. No need to set up. Just install new alkaline batteries, then it's ready for use. Compatible with Onkyo AV receiver model AVX280, AVX290, HTP380HT or 280HT or 290HT or 380HT or 380HT or 390HT or 538HT, RC230HT is 3300, HT is 3300B, HT is 3400, SKC380, SKF380L, SKF380R. SKR380L, SKR380 or SKW380TXSR308. Important note, this remote not work for TV. Package included, 1XIR remote control. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.